As we trudge through the forest, there are many lessons to be learned.
Exploration unknown.
Exploration unknown.
Exploration unknown.
Yeah. Normally I would have something to say about this, but nobody can hear me anyways. So I'm gonna shut the hell up and let you watch the beauty of this. Imagine just having yourself a nice little picnic right here. Come on back, come on back, come on back.
Alright, we have gotten to the ghost town of St. Elmo. It's not really a ghost town. Basically, it's a old ghost town that's got a bunch of old buildings in it, but it's pretty much a tourist attraction at this point, but it's very cool.
You know, this house here is $350,000 down in Denver.
That's the reason for HOA trailer.
There ain't no sarsaparilla in this town, so we're leaving. You're just being a bitch.
There's no sun. Black old sun,
Won't you come and wash away the rain?
Black old sun, won't you come?
Won't you come? We're gonna have to edit that out.